So for more specific results, you can also go ahead and give a more specific prompt. So to do that, first of all, you should remember these things. So you should define a rule and give a specific task. So for example, you can go ahead and give a specific task right here and then set limitations right here. So remember these things right here. So I'm just going to go around and say something like, let's say, for example, as a professional fun blog writer. So I am saying blog writer. Write a blog about traveling to Yangon, Myanmar. So I'm just going to go around and say this, and then I'm going to set a limitation. So I'm just going to go around over here and set the limitation to make the blog about 3 paragraphs long, but not more than 400 words in total. So if I were to go ahead and do this, you can see that I defined a role and then I gave it the task here, and then I set the limitation right here for a specific type of result. So if I were to go ahead and then hit on send now what happens is that it'll go ahead and analyze whatever I said, and then it'll give out the result right there. So this is what you have. So you need to wait for a bit, and then you can see that the generation is starting to happen now. So it says a fun-filled adventure in Yangon, Myanmar right here. And you can see that it is writing 3 paragraphs all in total right here, not more than 400 words. So this is how you can go ahead and give specific prompts for specific type of results inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.